Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to track conversions in Google Ads. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official Google Ads website ads.google.com and log into your account. If you do not already have an account guys, just go ahead and register an account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of your campaigns that you're running and where you're running your ads. So guys, how do we enable conversions and how do we track them? Well, it's very easy. You want to go ahead and click this button in the upper right corner right here called search. Go ahead and click on search, and now guys, you want to go ahead and type in conversions. And as you can see here guys, here you can see the results called pages. You want to go into this tools and settings, measurement conversions. Go ahead and click on that. So guys, you can see here now we are currently on our conversions page where we can see our conversions that we have. Here is one that we have already made called website traffic. Here we can see our website traffic for our website. So if you want to go and make a new conversion, just go ahead and click this blue button right here called new conversion action. Clicking on that guys, you can choose if you want to app or a phone call or website and so on. So let's say we want your website, go ahead and enter any domain that you want, and let's say our domain is tutorials.com. After typing in your domain guys, after it's scanned, you can go down here and then you can add a conversion action manually, or you can add page loads and so on. You can set up your conversions and then save and finish. So guys, go ahead and play with that. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.